2, hold the microphone for me. You hold the microphone near the water and I'm going to tip the water in. You ready? After 3. 2. You want me to? Okay, you want to do the water. Of course you do. You've got the handle there. Hang on, wobble. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Shall we have a listen? Ah, we've got our sound, so we're going to take this away. Do you like that sound? What does it sound like? Sounds like the rain. Shall we put it? Do you want to add an effect to it? We can make it loud. Yeah?
I want to make it loud.
You want to make it loud? So yes, that's Mr. Mangle. So we click on the loud button and we click on squash. That makes it loud. And do you want it high or low?
High.
High. You want the big one or the little one? Maybe the little one might be better for you, because it's a bit lighter. Okay, let's take it in turns, Michael. You make the thunder and then I'll make the rain. There's our rain. There's the thunder.